Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, combine ingredients, and prepare your workstation. Mix 6 Oz 80/20 beef with salt and pepper, lightly fold in black garlic paste for depth. Once done, form a uniform patty, press a shallow dimple to prevent dome rise. Toast the dark sesame buns with a quick brush of oil for color and texture. Make sure to keep charcoal additive measured, 0.5 to 1 g to avoid bitterness. This gets you immediately into the cook phase and sets flavor foundations. Heat your cast iron until it's smoking hot. Add 1 tablespoon oil so the patty sears, not stews. Place the patty and resist flipping. Sear 2 to 3 minutes per side for medium rare. Timing varies with thickness. Then add cheese for the final 30 seconds to melt. Once done, let the patty rest for 3 minutes to redistribute juices. Meanwhile, stack black garlic, pickled onions, and thin avocado slices on the toasted bun. This layering builds contrast in taste and texture. Crisp, creamy. Assemble while everything's hot. Place the rested patty on the bottom bun, add cheese, toppings, then crown with the top bun. Press briefly to marry layers. If the burger falls apart, take it apart and spread 1 tsp mayo on each bun face as a binder, reheat briefly, then reassemble. This fixes structure without changing flavor. If the dark notes are overly bitter, balance with 1 tsp honey or a squeeze of citrus. This restores harmony and completes your dark matter burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.